Welcome, she says, to our 60 plus exercise video. Oh, I seem to be in the sunlight there. So this is a seated class. It's going to be, in fact, I shall sit, seeing as it's a seated class. It is going to be 13 minutes, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to sort of make sure we're sitting as well as we can, but if you need to have a rest at any time, you can sit back in your chair and just relax and wait and join in the next bit. Okay, so my name is Sarah. The important thing is if you're not feeling well, so if you've got any sort of fever or you're ill or a recent injury, maybe just look at this today if you feel you want to see it, but don't join in until you're feeling better. Really nice, important, sensible bit of advice. It's a good idea to have a drink that you can drink any time. If you don't like drinking during the session, that's fine. Just make sure you hydrate before or even afterwards. Okay? Right, without much further ado, let's talk about our working position. So, you can see the chair I've got here has got no arms. These things are resistance bands. So I will be using this resistance band in this session. If you don't have one, you can contact us at Keradig Inactive and we can make sure we get a little activity pack to you so you've got one. But don't let that put you off doing the session. We can just do it for now without the band. Everything we do can be done without equipment. So the chair, what we want to try and do is, instead of sort of sitting using the back of the chair, like this, these muscles aren't doing much, okay? So we want to make these core muscles work. So we're going to lift the chair, sit up nice and tall, bring your feet underneath the knees. Now, if possible, we're then going to walk your sitting bones forward so that you're sat in the front half of the chair. And it's important that the feet are underneath the knees and you can feel both the heels and the balls of the feet on the chair. So we're able to look straight ahead. What we don't want is one foot here or here, okay? We want the feet to make that connection with the floor, but also we want that connection through the tailbone. Okay? Right, and if you do get tired, you can always... Shall we warm up? Let's warm up, because until we do, I've got this phone here which has got our music. So I'm going to turn around and face you. See if you can get yourself into your working position. So we're going to sit up tall, walk one sitting bone at a time to in that front half of the chair. I am going to play that music because it makes everything a little bit better. Okay, so those knees and feet are hit with the palm. We don't want them there. Okay, now we're going to just see if we can start by shoulders up, shoulders down. Good. Up and down. Up and down. Now we're going to roll these shoulders up and back. Good. Up and back. Lovely. One more shoulder roll, up and back. Lovely. Now we're going to draw this tummy button away from the waistband of your trousers, and we're just going to see if we can just turn one way, nice and gentle, come back to center. We're going to turn this way and back to center. Good. Now turn this head on its own. Nice and gently does it. Come back to center. Good. Turn it this way. Back to center. Nice and easy does it. Now we're going to drop that chin down to the chest. Bring it up. Now, we're going to see if we can take this hand onto this knee. We're going to just gently look over that shoulder. Come back to center. Good. Drop that chin down to the chest. Lift it up. This hand onto this knee. We're just going to look over that shoulder, not forcing it, back to center. Good. Drop that chin to the chest. Bring it up. Okay, you ready? You know the score this time. This hand to the opposite knee, looking over that shoulder. Good. So, we are warming up this spine. Good. Okay, bring it back. Now, we're going to just see if we can pick those heels up. I'll show you from this angle. Good. Let's tap these fingers. sitting up nice and tall. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to see if we can lift the toes off the floor. Keep the heels down. I'll show you from this angle. Lift and down, lift and down. Good. Lift and down. So you'll feel it here. Lift and down. 2 more. 1 more. Good. Now we're going to walk these feet. We're going to lift the knees. Walk these feet. I'm going to show you from this angle. Good. So we're keeping that nice strong trunk, nice relaxed shoulders. I'm stamping on my phone. Good. Now, relax those feet down. We're going to let these arms just relax down by the side. We're going to walk these feet out a little bit wider. Now, draw that tummy button in again. Keep both sitting bones on the chair. And we're going to lift the rib cage out of the hips. This is a really nice little warm up for that back. Keep going. I'm going to push that over there. Lovely. Now really think about relaxing the shoulders. It's very much a sideways movement. But keep both sitting bones glued to that chair. Brilliant. Now walk these feet back in. Walk those feet back out. You've got it. Now we're going to walk on the spot again. Now this time, if you can, we're going to bring those arms in. So you need to be in that front half of the chair. Otherwise you tend to bang the chair back. Now see if you can get a 90-degree angle at the arms. Great stuff, guys. Okay, I'm going to turn back to face you. We're walking it out now. We're going to relax the legs. We're just going to walk those arms. 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're going to relax the arms. We're going to take the heel, then the toe. Heel and toe. Same spot on the carpet. And heel and toe. We're going to do 3, 2, 1. Relax. Same on the other side. Now if you can, we're finding that same spot on the carpet. Now, has anyone fallen back into the back of that chair? Sit up nice and tall if you can. Good. Last 2. Really pull that toe up, push it down. Walk it out. Now, we're going to walk these feet out a little bit wider like we did before. Settle those feet down. Now, we're going to take the weight onto this sitting bone. We're going to take the weight onto this sitting bone, okay? Good. Now notice I'm not leaning my head either side, just it's using these core muscles. Good. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take a little clap. And clap. Clap. Good. So we're transferring that weight. Good. One sitting bone. Clap. 2 more claps. Brilliant. Bring it back. Walk it out. How are we feeling, guys? Are we okay? We're going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to draw some circles with these elbows. We're going to circle backwards. If you can, we're going to make each circle a little bit bigger than the last. Good. Can you make them bigger? Last circle. And bring it here. We're going to push out and back. Good. Out and back. I'm going to show you what it looks like from this angle. Push and back. Good. Push. Last one. Bring it in. Good. Roll those shoulders. Now, we're going to tap. Out and in. Good. Out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Out and in. Out. 2 more. Okay. Bring those feet in. Now, we're going to see if we can just reach and down. Reach and down. See, I'm just reaching off the screen. Only as far as you feel comfortable. We'll see if we can go a little bit further each time. Now we're going to do 30 seconds on each activity. Alright, so settlers heels, settlers fingers. This time we're going to take a little tap out to the side and in, okay? Out and in. Good. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. We're going to tap and in. Good. Tap and in. Tap and in and tap. Good. Tap and in. Tap. Now if you prefer to tap with your heel, you can. It's up to you. Good. Tap. Now, are you ready? We're going to see if we can add some arm movement. Remember that chest press we were doing? Tap and press. Tap and press. Press. Good. Press. Lovely. You can breathe out. You've got it. Lovely. Good. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to tap. Now this time, we're going to see if we can tap forwards. Good. Forwards. Forwards with that heel. Tap. Tap. Good. Now, we're going to make it a little bit more challenging. We're going to add this arm movement. Bicep curls. Tap. Good. So we're going to curl. I'm going to show you from this angle. Tap. Lovely. Keeping that nice strong trunk in that front half of the chair. Good. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Walk it out with these legs and these arms. How are we doing? Okay, I'm going to show you a new little move. Settle those feet down. We're going to step to the side. We're going to step, bring this foot across. Step. So these are side steps. Step, across. Step, across. Good. Step, across. Step, across. Should we see if we can do a few more of these? Good. Now, let's see if we can add some arm circles. You've got it. It's as if we are washing windows. That's it. So 4, 3, 2. Now leave this foot out here now. Good. Let's take those little taps. Now remember that little sway where we did the clap? This time what we're going to do is take your weight into the sitting bone and into this one. If you can, we're going to bring these arms into that little swaying movement. If you're not comfortable using the arms, just use your body. Now keep both sitting bones on that chair. We're going to go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in. We're going to walk it out. How is that, guys? So, little bit of movement. Now we're going to do a little bit of strength work. So we're going to calm it down a little bit. Bring those feet to a standstill. Now I've got my resistance band here. Now what I want you to do before you start every session using these is just check the band to make sure there's no tears or any faults that are going to make it snap. As long as you're happy it's all safe, we're going to sit up nice and tall in that working position. Now, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the band over the palms of your hands. Now, all we're going to do is, sitting nice and tall, elbows in, shoulders relaxed, we're just going to pull that band apart. But we don't want any daylight becoming between your elbow and your body. So, it's a little bit this little sort of movement. Okay? So, we're going to do 8 of those. I'm going to show you from this angle. Good. Always looking straight ahead. Now when we've done 8 of those, we're going to relax. We're going to roll those shoulders up and back. Okay? What I am going to do is just... Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is bring this band around to our back. So as if you were sort of drying yourself with a towel. We're going to strengthen the shoulders, the chest and the arms, okay? So all we're going to do is we're going to push forwards, we're going to control this band back, okay? So from the chest, pushing forwards, controlling it back. We're going to do between 8 and 12. Now if that's really easy, and 12 would be really easy, what I want you to do is slide your hands closer to the middle of the band. You may even need a stronger resistance band. If it's too hard, slide your hands towards the end of the band and you'll find it's easier. So that's how we control our resistance. There's also different colour bands. So we're going to do another few. Good. When you've done your 8 or 12 or any number between, just stop, relax, roll those shoulders up and back. Okay, good work. All right, next one. We're going to do a little bit of work for the legs. So I'm going to put this band on the chair. I'm going to turn my chair around for this one because we're going to see if we can stand up from our chair. So in that working position, we're going to make sure those heels are underneath the knees, slightly back. Now, we may not be able to get out of the chair. That is okay. You may also need something in front of you to hold on to. You may also need to put this chair against the wall to stop it sliding back. So get yourself adjusted. Pause this video if you need to make some adjustments so that we're safe. When you're ready, we're going to start. So we're going to start with some hovers. Good. So we're pushing the heels into the floor, lifting that bottom a fraction of the chair, and then sitting back down. Good. See if you can control the movement down. Brilliant. Now if you're comfortable with the hovers, you may be able to go all the way up. So we're pushing those heels down into the floor, then pushing that bottom back towards the back of the chair on the way down. Pushing up. Good. Pushing that bottom back down. Lovely. Now we're aiming for 10 of these. If 2 is enough, just build up over the weeks, okay? Brilliant. Straight. Now when we're standing and bending, make sure those knees don't push together or push apart. They need them in line with that big toe or that second toe. Okay, now when we've done 10 of these, all right, we're going to settle back down, we're going to move those feet. So when you've done 10, just move the feet. You've done a brilliant job. All right, let's give these legs a bit of a rest now, shall we? We're going to do a bicep curl. So we're going to get our band again, and this time we're going to hold it in one hand, and we're going to place the band underneath your feet. So your feet are going to secure it. Now, with thumbs pointing outward, we're going to hold onto the band, and we're going to see if we can squeeze. So this elbow again is staying close to the arm. Squeeze up, control it down. Good. Breathing out. So this is going to give you nice upper body strength. So if you're carrying things, shopping bags, again we're aiming somewhere between 8 and 12 repetitions. Okay, if you think you can do a couple more, that's fine. Okay, when you've done your set, roll that shoulder, reduce any tension. Now I'm going to turn and face you to do the set on the other side. Okay, so from this position you're then going to take that band, place that feet so they're securing it. Really need to make sure it's not going to snap away. Thumb up, we're going to hold onto that band, sitting nice and tall. Good. So with this supporting arm, you can just relax. And remember, if that's too hard, just slide the hand up the band. Okay, if it's too easy, slide the hand down the band. Good. So we're not lifting here. Okay, bending at the elbow, straightening. So we want a nice relaxed shoulder. Control that movement down. So when we've done our 8 to 12, so it could be 8, it could be 10, it could be 12, it could be less than that. We're going to relax and we're just going to roll that shoulder. Good. Okay, now take that band from underneath those feet. What we're going to do next is another leg strength exercise. So we're going to hold the band, either end of that band, okay? We're going to create a loop and we're going to put the foot into that loop. So you can see what I've done there. I've got my foot in the loop. Now, I'm going to walk my hands down that band. Remember, you're in that working position in the front half of the chair. I'm going to show you what it looks like from this angle, okay? Now we're going to lift the foot off the floor, secure those hands at the top of the thigh. And then all we're going to do is we're going to straighten that leg. We're going to push that band away from us and we're going to bend that knee in line with that second toe. Push, control that movement back. Don't let the band snap that foot back. Good. We're going to do 10 on this leg. Just going to show you what it looks like from this angle, okay? So, that's it. Sitting nice and tall. When we've done 10 on this leg, what we're working here is those thigh muscles and those glutes. Okay, that's your bottom muscles. So they're going to help with things like getting out of the chair. When you've done 10 on this side, we're going to swap legs, okay? So, take that foot out of the band, lower it back down, put the other foot in. Then we're going to walk the hands down the band, sit up nice and tall. Good. Now lift that foot, secure the hands at the top of the thigh, push against the resistance of that band. So we're straightening the leg, bending the knee. You can feel those thigh muscles working, can't you? Brilliant. Okay, good work, guys. So again, we're going to aim for 10 on this side. Brilliant. Okay. We're going to do 4 more. 4. So as you get stronger, what you might be able to do is repeat all these exercises with the bands again and do another set of each. But wait a week or 2 before you start to increase the number of sets. Brilliant, guys. Okay, that's 10. We're going to just take the band away, take the foot off it, place it safely. All right, it's time for a little cool down and a stretch. We've done some aerobic work. We've done some strength work. Well done. Now, lift those heels up, tap those hands. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to lift those toes up. Good. Heels are down, sitting nice and tall. You've got it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Shoulders up, shoulders down. 2 more. And relax those shoulders. Now we're going to roll those shoulders up and back. We're going to bring those hands to shoulder level. We're just going to squeeze those elbows back and forwards. We're going to do 2 of these. Good. Now what I'm going to get you to do is you're going to squeeze one elbow back and you're going to follow it with that head. We're going to breathe out and in. Let's do another one on this side. So we're just going to look at that elbow. Don't worry if you can't see it all the way. Good. I'm going to show you from this angle. Good. Let's do the same on the other side, okay? Excellent, guys. Nice and gentle, nice and controlled. Those knees are facing forward. Now let those arms swing. Yes. Good. Okay, we're going to let one arm come up, one arm go back. Good. One arm forwards, one arm back. Lovely. Now, we're going to take both arms and we're going to hold onto the back of that chair. So I'm going to show you from this angle. From our working position, sitting tall, we're going to bring our hands behind us, stretch for the chest and the front of the shoulders. These muscles get very tight. And then we're going to release. Good. Okay. So just roll those shoulders up and back. Now, we're going to stretch out these legs a little bit, the backs of the legs. So in our front position, we're going to bring one heel, place that heel on the floor. We're going to draw the toe up towards the knee or up towards the ceiling, whatever works for you. We're going to take the hands onto that supporting leg. Now keeping that back as straight as you can, we're going to lift the chest towards that straight leg. Feel that stretch in the back of the leg. Breathe out. We're going to come all the way up, bring it in. Let's do the same on the other side, shall we? Leg out, draw that toe up to the ceiling. Good. Breathe out. And breathe in. Bring it up, guys. Let's just move those feet. Okay. Now I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to face you. What we're going to do now is just going to give some shoulder flexibility. So same hand, same shoulder. We're going to walk that hand over the shoulder and we're going to just support that stretch. You've got it. Now relax that arm down, roll those shoulders. This side. We're going to breathe out, keep that chest lifted. Good. Wonderful, guys. Okay, we're going to relax. Roll those shoulders up and back. We've got one more stretch for you. We are going to just turn, walk these feet this way so we can hold onto this chair. Now, only do this if you feel totally comfortable. We're going to slide this foot behind us so we're stretching out these hip flexors. Don't think about doing this if you feel uncomfortable, the chair feels unsturdy. We're going to bring this foot back out, walk these feet back round so we're swiveling in that chair. Good. Only do this if you feel secure. Sliding this foot back, giving this hip flexor a nice little stretch. It's a challenging stretch to do, so don't worry if you don't decide not to do this one, okay? And then we're going to bring it up, walk it back. Okay. We are going to sit back in that chair. I am going to press pause, and as I like to do, we're going to finish with a nice bit of breathing. So you're going to let that back, relax in that chair, gently draw that tummy button in, relax the shoulders, feel those feet on the floor. We're going to finish with a breath in through the nose, and we're going to breathe out through the mouth. And then as we breathe in, we're going to bring those hands towards you. We're going to push those hands away. Breath in. See if you can make that breath out slower than the breath in. One more. A wiggle. Give those fingers a little bit of a shake. So that was our 30 minutes of activity seated. There was a bit of aerobic work, a bit of flexibility, a bit of strength. You've got it all there. So well done, everybody. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.